Hello, this is Quickskillz, and today I'm doing a box opening of a Henckels 9-piece barbecue carving tool set that I found on Amazon. So if you are interested in purchasing this 9-piece barbecue set and want to know what it looks like before you buy it, this video is for you. And I will drop a link in the description of this video that will take you to this product. Right now it's on Amazon for $99, which is actually less than what I paid for it. So good for you if you get that better price. Now let's take it out of the box here. It is nicely wrapped. We do have some warranty information, and one of the things I was excited about was the fact that it is wrapped. We do have some product information here. So we have sharpening reminders. Henckels makes really great stainless steel knives, so you have this marketing information. Then we have kind of a description of what's inside here, care for the product that we see here. This is a 9-piece set. I do like that this is very portable, but you can use it at home as well. So let's go ahead and roll it open here. We won't need this anymore. We won't need this. I do like how this is stored. So we have a 11-inch buffet knife. Let's go ahead and start with that one first. I do like that it is protecting the blade here, so that way you don't cut yourself. So here we have the 9-inch buffet knife already sharpened and ready for use. The handles do have 3 rivets on here, and they're very sturdy. We have a 10-inch rib knife. Oh, and I let the blade come off. So this is your 10-inch rib knife here. Very beautiful. Next up, we have a 7-inch Rocking Santoku. Whoa, losing the camera there. Next up, we have a 7-inch Rocking Santoku knife. It's going to be this one here. German steel. Now we have a 5.5-inch prep knife. We have shears, and there are 2 straps on this one. So just standard shears. They do not come apart. We have a carving fork. This is nice. I don't think I have a carving fork this large. Whenever you're doing a brisket or large turkey, stab that right in there and get a good carve out of it. And this one's really cool. A set of bear claws. If you ever do like a pulled pork or shredded meat, it's going to allow you to just dig right into your meats and pull them apart. And that's going to be the whole collection of knives here. So this is a canvas bag. And when you're done, you simply roll it up. Stores very nicely. All the blades are protected and well housed in this nice canvas bag. All right, well that was Quickskillz review of the 9-piece Henckels barbecue set found on Amazon. If you are interested in purchasing this for yourself, go to the description of this video. I will have a link that'll take you right to this product that you see here. You can see storage is really easy. You just go item per item, strap it in, and you are done. Thank you so much for watching. You have a good day.